Alright guys, we were cleaning out the chicken coop and look what we found. It's an egg. We didn't put that up there. That means it must have gotten up there somehow. And then, to make things crazier, there's another one! Which means chickens have been getting up here and laying their eggs on top of the roof.
Happy Easter. All right, so we've anchored the duck, but after we shut off the video, I turned and I saw something even more interesting. So while we look up here, go ahead and see if we can climb up that ladder a little bit and take this with you.
What the? Dude, there's one over here.
What are they doing?
Dude, there's like a whole clutch over here.
We gotta clean those out. What the heck? All right, go ahead. So what are you doing right now?
Looking for something weird.
Okay, what'd you find?
They're laying an egg up there. And one over here. You want to go ahead and climb that ladder, Mom?
And one over
We're
there.
going to look for some more.
Okay, here.
I don't want to climb that ladder.
I climbed
Here,
on it, so
Tara.
you're not going to fall.
There you go. Take it.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Look into the other ones.
Oh. They're going up there to lake. Oh my goodness.
We're gonna have to shove
Look into this one, Mom.
feed bags up there.
Okay. There's one over there.
There's more than one over there.
No, this one has one. Oh goodness. Those silly birds.
Can I check to see if there's any up here?
What do you think?
I think that's why we've been getting less eggs than we thought we should.